1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
Oh,
2, 3, 4.
oh, go pack me a lunch.
Ah, she.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 5. That's
4.
oh.
Okay, that's okay. Then
3, 2.
very good. Then 1, 2, 4. Very good. And again. Then repeat the pattern again.
Okay. Okay.
So let's do the pattern.
Uh-oh.
Okay,
Wait.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. Take it easy. Then we'll go back to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. E. Do it.
G.
Faster. E. Very good. Fifth, fourth.
Let's see, 3, 5, 4.
Then go back to A again. Same pattern. 2, 4. D. Faster.
E, 3, 1, 2.
Nice. This is third fret. Your
Oh, I went too
third finger
far.
should be at the third fret, kuya. Ayan,
Okay.
nice one.
3.
4.
Back to D.
Very good. A. 1. Yo. Improving. And E. Faster. 1. Nice. Improving. So
Yeah.
good.